Well, howdy folks, and welcome to another episode of Vern's Misadventures. In this one, we're going to go through a few steps I went through to fix an issue with my heater blower motor. It failed to come on the other day. It's very cold, so I borrowed the wife's car. Let's get into it. Alright, so we have a blower motor malfunction here. Let's see. Turn on the key. Heat is on, it's on defrost right now. Fan is on high. Doesn't work on high. Key is on. Doesn't work on high. Doesn't work on 3. Doesn't work on 2. Doesn't work on 1. So here's some things we could check. Yeah, I removed the cover here. Apparently there are a few fuses we could deal with here. There it is. So this fuse right here, number 24, is supposed to be for the heater motor. Anyway, I pulled that out and I checked it and it was okay. There's another fuse here, a couple below that one. This one right here, I guess, fuse number 27, is for the vacuum pump. It works sometimes it doesn't, so that leads me to suspect it's a relay issue, or it could just be a bad connection somewhere. As I understand it, you can substitute this relay here for the one for the heater. So let's take this under the hood. So if we grab this right here, pull it on. It's gonna be this middle one right here. Well, it's not middle, the right. It feels a little warm. So let's try substituting this one for it. Okay, well that didn't seem to have fixed our issue. So we'll put it back the way it was. Come on in there. Now I heard it click, so I think we're getting power that far. So let's go ahead and put this back. So now I take our operation over to the blower motor itself. There's the blower motor. There's a connector on it here. Okay, we have that connected. So what we'll do to fix that, instead of just wiggling it and saying, oh, it works, leave it alone, we'll get that done with this game. Let me get some tools. Alright. Let's see if we can get the connector off of there now. It doesn't look corroded. Clean it with this electric. This is just electronic cleaner. Electric contact cleaner. I'm not going to be able to get an angle to get it on the terminals on the motor itself, so what I can do is suck this down a little bit and then put it together. Let's see. Alright, well that noise you're hearing is not a jet overhead, but it's the heater motor going. So let's try wiggling it and see if it goes on and off, or if we fix it. Well, this does appear to be fixed. We like those kind of repairs. Cost no money whatsoever. Alright, so before I leave you here, I wanted to point out that I have a link in the description of a very good video that I found very helpful from another YouTuber. And that one will show you about the fuses, the connections, what to test, and how to test them, basically. And since mine turned out to be pretty simple, I wasn't able to go through many of those steps in my video. So if your situation is not as simple as mine, definitely check out the one that I have linked in the description. All right. So with that, y'all take care. We'll see you in the next one.